What's up, everybody? It's Dan and Eric with Tools in Action. Today we're going over the Campbell Hausfeld electric 1800 PSI pressure washer. Definitely has some cool little features to it for an entry-level pressure washer. It has this roller on top so you can roll the 25-foot hose in there. Also comes with a 35-foot, I believe, GCFI cable. And we've been using it here. It has wand storage on the left, got some snazzy wheels. So Eric's going to show you how it works. It also has a detergent feature right here. We put some Super Clean in there. So Eric's going to show you how it works.
There's two nozzles. This fine adjustment. This one actually will turn on the soap dispenser. Then all you have to do is just twist it to turn it off.
And it's instant on pump, so whenever he pulls the triggers, when the pump comes on.
You know, one nice thing about it, electric is it's not loud. It's not running all the time. It's only when you need it.
Right.
See it on demand.
A little bit more portable to carry around. This is definitely good for entry level for a homeowner or something like that. A couple things you need to understand with any pressure washer: motors can get burnt out right away. Always make sure you have water to go into it, and it's a good idea once you put the water to it to pull the trigger for about a minute or so and just air the lines out. So definitely a good entry level pressure washer here from Campbell Hausfeld. Go ahead and check out toolsinaction.com. We'll put all the links at the bottom of the article here, and don't forget to check out Twitter and Facebook.